So one thing that I learned as an independent welder that saved me a lot of time and money and headache was not to bid jobs. A lot of times you'll waste a lot of gas money, a lot of time, headache, going over plans, prints, trying to bid certain jobs, and you being independent. It's always, majority of the time, it's going to be someone that's going to beat you out, or someone that might say, you know what, I want to give it to my buddy. So you might not have your contractor's license. You're just independent. Now, this is from an independent standpoint. If you got your contractor's license, you can always push forward, and normally you can get something in. You know what I mean? But being independent, what I have learned, is better to advertise your services and provide services to the companies who win the bids. Because this is what I have learned in the city of Phoenix. Most of these companies got the money, the equipment to get the jobs. They got the contracts and the bonds to get the work. You know what I mean? To win the bid. But they're getting the bound with having the certified workers to finish the job or to complete the job on time, or make sure that everything is um, completed properly. You know what I mean? Without having to go over it two, three, four times and waste money. You know what I mean? They want to make money. So I learned, instead of me going around trying to bid, certain jobs to get certain work, I just provide services. And I know I provide one good service for this one company, and once they need me again, or they know someone who need me, they say, hey, I know someone who helped me in the bind. So that's how I do it. So I put different ads from, Craigslist, from having your website. I'm gonna tell you another good one that I haven't done yet, but I'm about to invest in it, and it's called Home Advisors. Home Advisors is a good site to network with, because they can shoot a lot of work your way, and I think it's a set fee. I don't know what it is. I think it's $300 to $400 or something like that, or maybe $250 to $400 for the set fee, and they send you a lot of independent work your way, and you go out, and do these different jobs. So I think I'm gonna start doing that in certain areas too, because it's just a lot of money on the table. You know what I mean? And being independent, service calls can make you a lot of money, and you can schedule them and set them up different times, or you can do the after hour ones too. I like the after hour ones because I can charge a 2 to 4 hour minimum. Normally on the weekends it's a 4 hour minimum, or I'm not even doing it. So regardless of the thing, set your fee and charge you a minimum. And always have a service fee, like to come out to see someone issue, because people will waste your time. So if it's $50, $75, $65, whatever it is that you charge them, say, hey, I charge this fee to come out and look at your issue. And they say, well, do that go towards the thing? Like, nah, that's just the gas to go from here to there. Now, if you charging like 125, you can say, okay, $75 go towards the service call fee, and the other money, $50, go towards your whole fee, of the project, if you decide to do the work. So it can be a win-win for them. But if you don't, you'll waste a lot of time, because I mean, you're driving around in the valley or wherever you at. Time is money. It's gas money. It's breaking down equipment. So you want to make sure you ain't wasting any time. So, for my personal opinion, I would say, don't worry about bidding jobs. Put you some ads out. Knock on some doors. Do some services. Get your services known. They'll speak for themselves. Hold on.